This module is about the closure of a project. A project is finished when you can prove it is. During the project closeout, you check if everything has been delivered correctly according to plan and according to agreement. Then we need to embed the result in the organization. We compile an end report and we obtain discharge. You need to realize that the more complex a project is, the more formal a closure needs to be. This is because the amount of parties that are involved in the project, the more there are, the more we need formal justification of the closure of a project, and people need to agree with that. We check if everything has been delivered correctly by studying the acceptance reports. When we find that not all the work packages were accepted as we originally planned, we need to achieve this approval by discussing the outcome of the acceptance report and correct if that is necessary. Another thing we need to take care of, that it is arranged at last during the closure, that we need to ensure that everyone is trained, that procedures are amended, that the maintenance is arranged, the support is arranged, and of course the guarantee is arranged. The essence of the closure is that at the end of the closure, the project manager is no longer necessary, and the project result is delivered in the line organization, and they are able to do anything that is necessary to do their work with the result of the project. During the project we reported, and the function of reporting was that we do a reflection on the progress of the project. In the end, at the closure, we compile an end report to learn from our experience, to reflect truthfully what has happened during the project in an objective way. But it's also an evidence for the project sponsor that we have done our work according to the original plans. The end report contains of a budget comparison, a duration comparison, a comparison of the quality, and the comparison is always between plan and the actual facts. Then we look at the changes that there were on the project. We learn our lessons of experience, what have we really learned, and we put down a number of recommendations for the organization when they do in the future a project like this. In this way, we transfer our experience and the lessons that we have learned during the project to the line organization. Finally, you need to obtain discharge. What you need to realize is that when you obtain this discharge, then for you the project is finished, but it then begins for the organization.